Are you a young go-getter aged 16 to 24, eager to explore a world of opportunities and make a mark in the thriving low-carbon energy industry? Well, North Wales is your gateway to an exciting future. Picture this: a spectrum of career paths, from apprenticeships to graduate opportunities waiting for you to explore. Whether your passion lies in project management, marketing, administration, digital, or you're more inclined towards the hands-on roles like engineering, welding, construction, and even delving into the secrets of physics, the low-carbon energy industry has it all. And guess what? We've got some heavyweight employers right here in North Wales. Think RWE, BP, Model Ice, Nuclear Restoration Services, and a whole lot more, including their extensive supply chains. These industry leaders are on the lookout for fresh perspectives and young talent to infuse their businesses with innovation. But here's the real scoop. The low-carbon energy technologies already in operation in North Wales are cutting edge. We're talking about nuclear power, including decommissioning, offshore and onshore wind farms harnessing the breeze, marine energy, exploring the power of tide, and solar energy soaking up the North Wales sunshine. So why should you consider a career in the low-carbon energy sector? Well, not only will you be contributing to a sustainable future, but you'll also find a wealth of opportunities for growth and development. Employers are eager to welcome young minds, valuing the energy and fresh ideas you bring to the table.
Hi, my name's Angharad Rayner. I'm the Site Director at Trawsfynydd Site for Nuclear Restoration Services. So we actively recruit apprentices throughout the year, throughout Nuclear Restoration Services. There's a variety of different apprentice schemes, ranging from level 2 up to level 6, which is degree level apprenticeship. And the careers are things such as mechanical, electrical, health physics. We've also got procurement and also some corporate opportunities too. Well, to start with, there'll be peer-to-peer support working alongside experienced nuclear professionals. This will involve working on first-of-a-kind nuclear projects. In addition to this, there'll also be a team leader dedicated to be able to support the apprentices throughout their time with NRS. There's also the early career learning support, and there is also the allowance to be able to have that learning time within the college. Lastly, we have a thriving young persons network as well as a STEM group within NRS. So the starting salary will range depending on the level of apprenticeship that you do. So it ranges from 15,000 up to 19,000 as a starting salary. There is a review within the first 6 months, and also there is pay progression year on year during the apprenticeship scheme. The type of skills that individuals will gain along their apprenticeship will vary depending on which apprenticeship that they choose, but there are some core skills that each of them will develop along the way. These are things such as communication skills, team working, and a really important one for us is the ability to be able to deliver work safely across the sites. In addition to this, it's about working collaboratively across different groups, so across the programmes and the enablers as one team to safely deliver a project. In addition to all these key skills, these individuals will get 3 to 4 years work experience within the nuclear sector, whilst getting paid and also having an accredited qualification at the end of this experience.
But it doesn't stop there. North Wales boasts incredible training facilities across colleges, universities, and independent apprenticeship providers. These institutions are dedicated to equipping you with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in this dynamic industry.
My name is Hugh Townley and I work for RWE as a wind turbine technician apprentice. I chose to do an apprenticeship in the low carbon industry because it's a growing industry, and I'm also concerned about the future and what the future holds, and I feel like this is a sure way that I can make a bit of an impact. In my daily work we usually do college studying, so I'll do practical work and then there's also assignments that we do. So in the practical work we do a lot of drilling and hands-on stuff, and then assignment work we do more the health and safety side and the less interesting parts, but it still needs to be done as health and safety is an important part. I'm in college 5 days a week, and then off term times I am on site, and we usually do more hands-on stuff there. So actually going up wind turbines and watching the more experienced technicians and engineers do what they do, and also doing a bit of servicing, maintenance on the turbines. The part of the job that I enjoy more is definitely working on the turbines, getting up there, getting some experience. Yeah, there's loads of different things that you can do. It's not just engineering, there's also different parts of it, like RWE do more IT sides and stuff like that to the job, but also being enthusiastic about it and understanding what risk we are at for climate change. What I enjoy most about studying at the college is definitely the practical side. I really enjoy the workshop stuff. So we do a lot of drilling, like filing and stuff that you will actually be doing on site. So it's good to get that experience here. So you need to definitely be a bit of a problem solver, understand issues that are happening and see ways that you can solve them. And then also I'd say you've got to be able to work in a team, because there's a lot of things that require more than one person to do up in the wind turbine. And then also you've got to understand the health and safety risks that there are up in the wind turbine.
So, are you ready to power up your career and be part of something bigger? The low carbon energy industry in North Wales is calling. Seize the opportunity, shape your future, and embark on a journey of endless possibilities.